Hi, my name is Patrick Palomeni. I am the Chief Pilot for Pasadena Air Operations. I've been with the department for 28 years now and been flying for 17. I started as a police officer and then after 10 years came up to the heliport. You know, the favorite part of what I do is actually the flying part. It's just enjoyable. It's relaxing for me. The fact that I get to, put people in jail that deserve to be there and that, but the actual really fun part of the job is just the flying itself for me. I helped start a program called Polar Wind. Our section, the Air Operations section, we gathered money and toys from several agencies, and we give those toys to children who are sick during Christmas time, and we actually want to help them enjoy Christmas during those times when they wouldn't otherwise have a Christmas. So that to me is first, something that I'm really proud of that we as a section get to do. And second, having help start that, it's kind of rewarding for me that I help to give back to the community. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the heliport. You have a great day.